beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties, hello beauties. Welcome back to Van Beauty channel. Welcome back. Welcome back for my old goodie buddy and my new subscribers. And if you're just passing by here, my name is Vin. In this channel, we talk more about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and we do DIY vlog. And if you never subscribe, please show me some love, subscribe. If you never subscribe, show me some love, subscribe, give this video a thumb up, turn your notification bell on. When I'm uploading the new video, you can be notified when the new video is on. Okay, let's back to the topic. Today's video, like you have seen in the title, I know what is bringing you here. Like you've seen in the title, today's video, we're going to talk about how to use CARO White shower gel, or how to mix your CARO White cream or shower gel to get the glowing skin you like without side effect. Having damaged skin, I'm going to mix it with some ingredient to give me a glowing skin without side effect, and also to make my skin to moisturize. And also I just want to say, and today I'm using CARO White shower gel for mixing. It's my first time of using CARO White shower gel. Then I'm doing it with you guys. I'm going to mix it and use it for 14 days and see how it goes, and I'll come and review it again and tell you my experience, how the CARO White went, how my experience with CARO White shower gel. But let's go to my kitchen. I'll show you what I'm going to use to mix this CARO White shower gel. Yeah, like I was saying, we're in my kitchen. I just want to show you guys what I have. I'm going to mix my shower gel with. I have a castor oil. You guys can see I have a castor oil, mango and lime Jamaican castor oil, and papaya. And also I have pure, this one you guys can see, rose oil, gold. And also I have this one, rosemary organic essential oil. And also I have this one, citronella chavaya essential oil. And I have my milk and honey shower gel. And also I have my CARO White shower gel. I'm going to use those ingredients. I'm going to use this ingredient to mix my CARO White shower gel to have a great skin and glowing skin. But I'm using 2 bowls to do this this job. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this CARO White shower gel into 2, and also I'm going to divide this milk and honey into 2. Then I'm going to add some of the oil for moisturizing my skin. And keep watching. We're going to do our experimentation. Okay, I'm going to mix half of this here, and half of this, and I'll mix everything here, half of this one here. Then let's go. Then you guys can see how I'm doing it. It's half. I did half of this. You guys can see this is how you look like. Yeah, it's already half here. And also I'm going to get my CARO White shower gel, and let's do it half, all of us. Okay, Yeah, like you see, it's already half. You see, I've divided it. Like you guys can see, it's half now. And more. It's half now. Because I'm going to do it, and I'm going to... Now I have my castor oil. I'm going to take teaspoon, okay? I have my castor oil. Castor oil, it's good for skin restoring, help. It's help to restore and moisturize the skin. Okay, we're going to use this one. I'm going to use 2 spoons of this because I use this one for my hair as well. And I'm going to use this one. It smells good. I'm going to use this one. This essential oil. Yeah, this is now 2 spoons. And I'm going to use some rosemary. You guys can see. Oh, you guys can see it. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen you guys show you guys before. I'm going to use this. This one I'm just going to use 1 spoon. And now we're going to use this. If you don't have this oil, you can use any oil of your choice, okay? Any oil of your choice you can use. You don't need to have only this. You can use any oil, any essential oil of your choice, okay? Then now I'm going to mix it. Oh, it's smelling so good. Look at this. Look at how it look like. Look. It looks so nice. I'm going to mix it. It looks so nice. Very thick. Look. Ooh. It looks so nice and thick now. Look at this. Yeah, this is the way it's going to look now. This is the way it's looking now. Yeah. I like it the way it look like now. Maybe I might add another milk. I might add the milk because I'm thinking to add the milk. I'm thinking to add a milk. Look how I look like. I look like this. Okay. Hello beauty, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And don't forget to share, and leave your comment down there what you're thinking about this. And I'm going to give you guys a feedback after 14 days to tell you guys how the shower gel did go with me. How was my experience? I'll give you guys the feedback in 14 days. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. Share, and turn your notification bell on. and follow us on Instagram, which is Van Beauty, and on Facebook Van Beauty, on TikTok Van Beauty, and on Snapchat Van Beauty. And also my personal page is Van Beauty, and my personal page also my personal page is Arabelle65 if you want to know more about me. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you guys to the next video. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.